Is spaced repetition part of the Cornell method? Imagine having a secret weapon to remember everything you study. Now, what if I told you that this secret isn't built directly into your note-taking system? Today, we're exploring whether spaced repetition is part of the Cornell method. The Cornell method is a way to organize your notes on a page. It splits the page into 3 sections: a big area for notes, a narrow column on the side for cues or questions, and a small summary at the bottom. During class, you jot down what the teacher says in the main section. After class, you write questions or keywords in the cue column that match your notes. Finally, you summarize the key points at the bottom. This setup helps you review and understand your notes better. Spaced repetition is a study technique where you review information at increasing time gaps. The goal is to revisit material just before you forget it. This method is often used with flashcards or apps that reminded you when to review. It is proven to help move information from short-term to long-term memory. Now, does the Cornell method include spaced repetition? The answer is no. The method itself does not have a built-in schedule for reviewing notes over time. Its main focus is on organizing notes, creating questions for self-testing, and summarizing content. It helps you prepare for review, but it doesn't tell you when to review. However, the Cornell method is very compatible with spaced repetition. The cue column is perfect for self-quizzing. You can cover the notes and try to recall the answers based on the cues. This active recall is very effective. To add spaced repetition, you simply decide when to revisit your notes. For example, review your cues after 1 day, then 3 days, then a week. Many students use the Cornell method and naturally space out their reviews as exams approach. But the method itself doesn't specify the timing. You can take your organized notes and plan your review schedule separately. This way, you combine the best of both worlds: structured note-taking and effective memory techniques. In practice, you take your notes using the Cornell layout. Then, you set reminders to review your cue questions at planned intervals. This makes your study sessions more efficient and helps you remember better. It's a simple way to boost your learning without extra hassle. So, to answer clearly, the Cornell method does not include spaced repetition as part of its system. But it works really well with spaced repetition if you decide to review your notes regularly. Using the cue column for self-testing and scheduling your reviews makes your study process smarter. Combining these 2 techniques can help you remember more and study more effectively.